your girl Chantel Brooke. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I apply my lashes in under 1 minute. I've been getting a lot of comments on doing a video on how to apply lashes, so I just decided I would do a short 5-minute video on how to apply lashes. In this video, I will be giving tips on how to apply your lashes really fast. I started applying my lashes like years ago. When I first started applying my lashes, I used the hair glue. This does work really good. I will still use it today. The only con to using this hair glue while applying your lashes is that it takes so long to dry. It does lift. Sometimes it does lift, like the corner of your lashes lift a little bit. But recently, I've started using the regular Kids Script Lash adhesive. With aloe. It works really good. It dries probably like in 20 seconds. You just apply it to the lash line, let it dry for like 20 seconds, and then you pop it right on. Boom, bam, you're done, you know. But yeah, this works really good. It's the Kids Adhesive Eyelash Glue, so this works really good. But you can still use this. Like if I didn't have this, I would use. Okay, so another tip for applying your eyelashes is using tweezers. I have 2 pairs of tweezers right here. I have the flat kind and I have the really pointy kind. For applying your lashes, I recommend to use the really flat kind because the pointy kind is just, it don't work good for me. Maybe it might work for you, but it worked really good with the flat tweezers. So before you put the glue on your lashes, you want to make sure that you have the lashes set up. So like this go on my left eye and this go on my right eye. You just make sure you have that set up because you don't want to be confused when it comes time to putting the lashes on your eye. So I'm gonna try to put like a timer somewhere up here to show you guys that I did as put my lashes on less than a minute. But first, the first step, of course, is to put the eyelash glue on your lash. This is the lash and you want to apply it right here on the top, and you want to apply a good amount. Don't put too much, you know. And another tip when applying the glue to your eyelash, you want to make sure that you get these ends because this is where it usually lifts, so you want to make sure you get that. And you notice that I'm applying it right here on the eyelash. I'm not applying it to the bottom because you don't apply your lashes to your eye this way. You apply it going this way, you know, like you're putting it on your lash line. So I already have that one. I'm gonna let that sit and dry while I apply the eyelash glue to the other one. I'm gonna just apply this the same way. Usually while I let my eyelash glue dry, I just apply a little bit of highlighter in places just to waste a little bit of time and to perfect my makeup look. I have this mirror and I just pull it up so that it's close and put it to the side that is closer to my eye so that it's like all up in there so that I will know exactly where I'm applying my lashes. So again, I have the flat tweezers and you just pick your lashes up. I grab my lashes this way. I go underneath and grab it close to the line. I usually put it right here in the middle first. And then I get the ends. Put that on, and I get this side. Put that on. And usually my eye waters when I put my lashes on, so I just gotta keep blinking. And I mean, basically gets on. That was like less than 30 seconds really. But it's real simple. You just bam, wham, wham, and you done. One lash down, one more to go. But I just want to make one quick note. Like, look, compared to like half of my face with the eyelash and the other half without. Like, eyelashes really does bring your makeup look all together. Like, there is no makeup look without your lashes. Like, you gotta know how to put your lashes on it. You have to. There's no other way to it. So this is definitely dry. Again, I just grab it right here in the middle, close to the line. If I feel like it's not dry, I'm gonna just wiggle it a little bit so it can dry up, you know. So again, I get close to my mirror, so I just put it right here in the middle. And with this side, I always use my hand for this side. And I grab this over here. And look, while I'm putting the lash on, it's possible to stretch it. Like, I stretch it a little bit so that it will fit directly on my eye, like fill my whole eye. I put that thing right on, just like that, period. That's it. Like, that was so easy. Just put it on and make sure your lashes are on and they secure, just like you secure your wig, baby. Make sure these lashes are secure, because you do not. One thing that I hated about wearing lashes was going somewhere and then half of my lash is hanging off. Oh my god, that's like the worst feeling ever. And it's like, especially when you didn't bring your eyelash glue, your whole day is just ruined. Just take me home, please. I just want to go home at this point, or stop me to the store so I can get some more glue, because I cannot. But anyways, you just make sure these things on. Just push them, you know, make sure that they on so that you won't have any problems, period. I want to give you guys one last tip with putting your lashes on. A major key when putting your lashes on. Well, before you put your lashes on. Because I be seeing some girls, like, I know y'all like the big lashes. You want the dramatic effect. But if your eyelashes from here to here, it's a problem. It's a problem. So before you put your lash on, measure it on your eye. Get you some handy dandy scissors and cut the remaining piece. If it's from right here and to here, but you still have a lot left, just cut it. All you gotta do is cut it with some scissors. That's it. And then apply it. But please stop. Please stop having your lashes from the middle of your nose to your ear. And that's not how an eyelash is supposed to be. Your eyelash is for your eye, not for your ear, your eye, and your nose. It's not for all that. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys have taken some tips from me. It's really easy to apply your lashes. I'm telling y'all, if y'all want more videos on how to apply other things, or lip combos, how to do your eyebrows, or, you know, just other tips, let me know in the comments. Let me know what's good, and I got you, period. But anyways, once again, when applying your lash, I'm going to run this thing down one more time. So step 1 is measure your eyelash. Step 2 is the glue. Make sure you have some really good glue, or your hair glue, whatever works for you. Make sure you had a glue, because I mean, how you gonna stick it? Step 3 is the tweezers. I use the flat tweezers. You can use whatever tweezers best for you, but the tweezers that's best for me are the flat, thick tweezers. That's what grips it better, and, you know, it applies it better as well. Step 4 is put it directly in the middle of your eye. Make sure that it's sticking well, and then apply this side, and then come back over to this side and apply it. Same way over here. Put it directly in the middle, apply this side, then apply the inner side, and then you're done. It takes less than 30 seconds. It does. But practice makes perfect. Just keep practicing and practicing and practicing. That's what I did. So yes, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Please comment in the comment section what videos you guys would like for me to do for you guys, you know, and just, if you like the video, tell me like your tips on how you apply your lashes, and, you know, give me some tips as well, because like I said, I don't know it all. So yeah, and also I want to try out more glue. This is the first glue that I've ever used other than the hair glue, but it's been working really good for me, so I'm stuck like Chuck to it. Thank you so much once again. In all my videos, I always say thank you, thank you, thank you, but I'm so grateful for you guys for watching my videos. You know, I started YouTube. I'm just talking and talking and talking. This video supposed to be about eyelashes. Stick to the eyelashes, girl. Thank you guys so much once again for watching my videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Hit that notification bell if you want to see more videos. Thank you so much. Peace.